It's a veteran's world after all. Yan ang nangyari ng koronahan bilang Miss Universe Philippines 2025, si Miss Quezon Province at Tisa Manalo. Kahit marami ang nagtaas ng kilay, at the end, isa si Miss Quezon Province sa mga top contenders ng naturang pageant. Despite sa nangyaring pagkatapilok niya sa evening gown competition, bumawi ng bongga si Miss Quezon Province sa Q&A. Ginawa niyang inspirasyon ang kanyang slight mishap upang muling bumangon at magpatuloy. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang sagot sa Q&A portion.
I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is, whenever I fall in life, I always make sure I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on this stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on the stage to be Miss Universe Philippines because this is mine and my grandmother's shared dream, and she passed away early this year. And this is my ode to her.
Last year, isa siya sa mga beauties na sumali na rin sa NUPH. To you, Miss Universe Philippines 2025 winner, congratulations!